afternoon, everyone. The goal here today is I wanted to show you how easy it is to edit something that you have in D2L. First, I click on Content just to find everything that you want to get to in class. And let's say you wanted to go back and add something to a discussion that you did previously in class that you submitted to D2L. You would scroll down to wherever it was you did something. For example, here's something that Madison Shaw did. You would come over here to this drop-down box, and you notice there's all kinds of different things you can do with this drop-down box. But click on Edit Thread, and you can come over here and click the 4 arrows, and it will open everything up. And then you can come in here and edit and do whatever you want to do, add, subtract, whatever. And then when you've finished, you just click the 4 arrow button again, come down here and update, and then you can edit whatever you have in that box. And it works the same way for every assignment you'll have in D2L. And then I hope if you do update, you need to click update instead of cancel like I did. Hope that helps.